Hey, it's not just the ducks that like the swimming pool. Old Sky's off and out and about. And
Good girl.
you like that, Sky? Sky's our Great Pyrenees, and she's our guard dog. And one of the things she loves is water, as you can see.
Good girl.
That's the only dog I've ever seen that will actually stick her head up under the water like a duck. And she gulps water that way. She's a crack up. But Great Pyrenees, fantastic dog. We love her. Nothing comes up near the house as far as predators anymore. Whether it be 4 legs or 2 legs, huh?
Oh, no problem. Good girl, Sky.
Great dog. They were used in the south of Spain and or south of France and Spain as livestock guard dogs, and they would guard the sheep and little lambs, anything coming close to them.
Goats.
Yeah, any kind of livestock they'll do. Anything that's weaker than them, they'll guard. And they could care less about chickens and ducks or any of those kind of things, other than if they come over and try and eat her food. And then she just gently goes over and she'll kind of snap at them and get them to move away, and then she's back at it again. She could care less about them. So once she's had her fill, and she'll step back and let them go at it. But I think she's going to go back in the pool again. Let's see. Yeah.
Aw, good girl, Sky.
They have a dual coat, so yep, she found something there. Get him, Sky. Get him, Sky. I think she might have heard a turkey, so let's see. There's a big old girl.
You good girl.
All right, well, we'll see y'all later.